crumbly chocolate base, sweet peppermint filling and a decadent chocolate topping make this peppermint slice. It's incredibly...
Welcome to Recipes by Karina, where I share with you how to make classic and simply delicious recipes. Make sure to follow my page or subscribe for a new recipe each week. Start with the base. In a medium-sized mixing bowl or the bowl of your stand mixer, add the room temperature butter and sugar. Make sure your butter is at room temperature for this recipe or you'll have a very hard time creaming it with the sugar. If you'd like the full recipe for this chocolate peppermint slice, it'll be on my website as well as the full measurements listed in the description box below. Cream the butter and sugar for 3 to 4 minutes or until light and fluffy. Add the rest of the dry ingredients to the bowl: the flour, desiccated coconut, cocoa powder and baking powder. Fold the dry ingredients into the creamed butter and sugar until well combined. Pour the base out into a lined 20cm or 8-inch square baking pan and use the back of a spoon to press it down into an even layer. Add the base to a preheated 180 degrees Celsius or 350 degrees Fahrenheit oven for 20 to 25 minutes or until slightly golden brown. While the base is baking, make the peppermint filling. In a clean mixing bowl, add the icing sugar or powdered sugar. These are both the same ingredient, just different names in different parts of the world. Pour in the melted butter, whole milk and peppermint essence. I'm using half a teaspoon here, but if you would like it super pepperminty, you can use 1 teaspoon. Use a wooden spoon or spatula to fold the filling together until combined. It'll be quite thick, it's supposed to be this way, so don't add any more liquid. Remove the chocolate base from the oven and while it's still hot, add the peppermint filling. Use an offset spatula to spread the filling evenly over the base, pushing it into the corners. Adding the filling to the hot base will help it soften and melt a little, so it's so much easier to spread. Leave the base and the filling to cool completely before making the chocolate topping. To make the topping, in a heat-proof bowl, add the chocolate. Break it up with your hands or chop it into smaller pieces. Pour over the oil and melt the chocolate in the microwave in 20-second bursts, stirring in between or over a water bath until smooth. Leave to cool for a few minutes before pouring over the cooled filling. Tilt the baking pan to spread the chocolate evenly and place into the fridge for 2 to 3 hours or overnight to cool completely. Cut up the slice using a hot sharp knife and enjoy. I hope you give this recipe a try. It's simple but so incredibly delicious. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in my next video.